friends. Today we're going to learn how to add fractions. Ready? Let's go. We can also add fractions, but wait, we have to be careful with the denominators. Rule 1. If the denominators are the same, we just add the numerators. Easy, right? Rule 2. If the denominators are different, then what do we do? Yes, we find the least common multiple first. Okay, let's try an example together. Add 1/2 and 1/4. Denominators are 2 and 4. Are they the same? No, so we need to find the LCM. What's the LCM of 2 and 4? Yes, it is 4. Now, the first fraction is 1/2. But its denominator is not 4. So how do we make it 4? Multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. Let's do that. So 1/2 becomes 2/4. Great. Now look, both fractions have denominator 4. So just add the numerators. 2 plus 1 equals 3. That gives 3/4. Good job. Let's try one more example. Add 2/3 and 1/6. Are the denominators the same? 3 and 6? No, they're different. So what do we do? Yes, we find the LCM. The least common multiple of 3 and 6 is 6. Now, the first fraction is 2/3. Its denominator is 3, not 6. How do we make it 6? Multiply top and bottom by 2. Let's do it. So, 2/3 becomes 4/6. Nice work. Now both fractions have denominator 6. Just add the numerators. 4 plus 1 equals 5. So the answer is 5/6. Great job. So, to add fractions, make denominators the same, add numerators, and simplify if needed. That's it. Now it's your turn. Let's see if you can add these fractions. First one. Add 1/3 and 2/3. Are denominators the same? Yes. Then just add the numerators. What do you get? Take a moment, try it yourself. The answer is 3/3, which simplifies to 1. Did you get it? Great work. Next one. Add 3/5 and 1/10. The denominators are 5 and 10, not the same. So what do we do? Think carefully. Find the LCM first. The answer is 7/10. Nice job. Last one. 3/8 plus 1/12. This one is a little tricky. Can you find the LCM of 8 and 12? Take your time, remember, make denominators the same first. The answer is 11/24. Well done, that was a challenging one. Fantastic work. You are really learning how to add fractions. Okay, let's quickly recap what we learned today. Rule 1. If denominators are the same, just add the numerators. Rule 2. If denominators are different, first find the least common multiple. Then make both denominators the same as that LCM. That's it. Remember these rules and you'll always be able to add fractions. Great job today. Thanks for learning with BrightStack. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you can join us for more fun math adventures. See you next time.